So when you're pouring in your batch machine, you want to make sure what's left in your container, you want to get out as well. So we're filling up here, and then Angela will scrape through, make sure we get all the extra that kind of resonates on the container. We like to use the clear acrylic containers. They're just a little easier to see, a little easier to scrape down.
So now we're going to set our timer for about 8 minutes. Turn the dasher on. Hit our compressor and then start the time.
Now, with our viscosity meter, we could run at a variety of different viscosities. We can slow that all the way down to 130 and speed it all the way up to 230. What that does, it helps you monitor the overrun of the product, monitor the speed at which you extrude it. It's a pretty neat and handy addition to our batch freezers. I'm going to run this kind of right in the middle, you know, at about 190. Again, we're not developing a higher overrun product or a low overrun product. We're just kind of doing some R&D on the flavoring. So we're going to have a pretty medium overrun product. I'd say target about 75–80% overrun with this. We also have our viscosity meter. Our viscosity meter will tell us how hard the motor is working. We can actually, flicking this button, set the viscosity. So what that means is once I have, let's say I have my ghost pepper salt ice cream and I know I need it to take it out at a viscosity of 40. I could move this to set, and once this machine hits the viscosity of 40, it'll turn off the refrigeration. We know our product's done. So you're infusing a little bit of science into the art of making ice cream, which is great. It helps you to be more scalable, it helps you to cross-train. You obviously have to understand what that viscosity is for every particular flavor, but once you have it, you can set the machine for that in your recipe card.